The perfect thing to wear when it's hot out has got to be a floral dress. And this one, hits the spot. I think it's supposed to be a long top, but me being the whore that I am, I've decided no. That's a dress, and I'm going to go out in that. I really love the micro pleats on top with the fun flared sleeves, and the fabric just really makes summer heat a little more bearable. I've been seeing little one pieces like this on Smexy Instagram girls and wanted to try it out for myself. I actually thrifted this little vintage Banana Republic one like 4 years ago, and I literally never worn it, mainly because I feel absolutely horrified to have my butt out. But one must conquer 9 fears. I paired it with a skinny white boot just to keep it all streamlined, and it matches the fun white trimming. So I'm still entertaining my childhood dreams of being a rich white horse girl with this outfit. I've got a preppy puff sleeve top that gives off championship jumper vibes, but toned it down with these casual denim shorts. These mid-calf boots are an amazing thrift find from several years ago. I think I got them for like $2, but they're this perfect vintage patchwork look with a super fun heel. The amount of times I've worn this outfit this summer is embarrassing. In Texas, it's literally bad, horrible, stinky, humid heat, and frankly the only time I'm outside is to get into my car, to whatever place, just to get back into my car again. I DIY'd this little halter by cropping the bottom in a corset style hem, which I think it makes it more fun. I thrifted this super lightweight skirt that's the perfect length for running around, and I really like this weird sporty vibe this outfit gives me. It's really as close as I will ever get to athleisure. A great way to incorporate sweater vests into warmer seasons is with color and knit weight. This baby pink one is lightweight and brightly colored, which lets me style it even when it's blistering hot out. Paired with a pinstripe mini skirt and cowboy boots, I really feel fun and sophisticated. Anyways, that's all the looks I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.